More news coming in. A scam-tainted Jharkhand IAS officer gets her job back. Laundering accused Pooja Singhal is back. Spent 2 years in jail. IAS officer has been reinstated. Soren government revokes suspension after bail. ED says Singhal laundered mining scam money. The big question, how has she managed to get her job back here? Is the big question here. Remember, she was the same person on whom several lakhs of rupees was found. Pooja Singhal is back on job. Scam-tainted IAS officer is back on her job. She was accused of laundering and she was in jail as well for 2 years. Even as this matter's investigation continued, now she has been reinstated. The Hemant Soren government has revoked the suspension after bail. ED spoke about the fact that Singhal laundered mining scam money. I'm going to go straight across to Satyajit for more details on that story. Satyajit, the government has got some answering to do given that this matter is under investigation. The IAS officer in question was actually in jail as well, and she's back now on her job. How's that?
Yes, of course. She was arrested in a money laundering case by ED in 2022, May 2022. The scam was connected to Manrega, implementing Manrega. After that, she continued to be in jail for 2 years, but she secured bail in the first week of December, and she was under suspension since she was arrested. After that, suspension review committee has recommended that she should be reinstated, and on the recommendation of suspension review committee, she has been asked to contribute to the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department. Now, the government has to decide whether she will be posted, she will be given some key responsibility or not. This has to be seen, this remains to be seen. But when she is back to her job, when she has contributed to the Personnel Department, of course, she will get some posting also. Because we spoke to some officers also on the condition of anonymity. They said that she was under suspension, and since she has not been convicted guilty, she has not been proved guilty. That's why we abiding to the natural justice, we have reinstated her, and now the government has to look into it whether she will be entrusted with some responsibility, major responsibility, whether she will be given some key post or not. But before her arrest, she was serving as the mining secretary to the government. Neha.